Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm doing an updated bedroom tour. I'm so excited to share with you guys what I have that's new in my bedroom. The main thing for me is that I've got a brand new bed. I've got it for like a huge bed, and I've teamed up with the most amazing mattress company called Simba. This is just to show you guys how amazing this mattress is and how much it's changed my life, and also just the kind of soft furnishings that I've got as well as the mattress and my bed. So I want to show you guys exactly what I've changed in my bedroom, and yeah, you can kind of see from like my video what I've changed. I've only added a few extra little bits, but this is my wardrobe space, exactly the same as it was before, just where I keep all of my clothes, my coats especially. It's built into the actual bedroom itself, and then I keep all my shoes at the bottom. I'm kind of a bit of like a neat freak. I try and keep it in like colour coordinated order, and then I have all of my products up at the top that I get sent through YouTube, and then just kind of try and have some sort of order in my wardrobe itself. And again, as you can see, it's kind of like goes into like summer shoes and winter shoes. Next up is my lampshade, and I actually got this from George at Asda. I just really liked it because it's kind of fitting in with the theme of my room. The curtains actually came with my bedroom, and they're just like a really nice grey. They're actually quite thick, so they keep the light out, which I really like. I really struggle to sleep if I don't have it super dark. And of course my bedroom comes with a pug. So then my lampshades, these are from Dunelm Mill, and I absolutely love them. Again, they're kind of like fitting in with my theme of the grey and the copper. And then I have my my George stars from George, and they're copper. Then I got these bedside cabinets from IKEA, and I have one either side of my bed, so it's just like symmetrical, and I just keep loads of random bits in there, like my earplugs and electricals, that sort of thing, just really random stuff that I use to sleep. And then I have like medicine at the bottom and things, you know, all your essentials that you've got to have. Then I normally try and keep a just like an extension cord next to my bed that I can use to have my anything that I'm trying to charge up on, basically just right next to me. And then these are my pictures, which are by Desenio, and I love them. I try to go for a bit of a fashion kind of theme. It's quite a girly space, I'd say, but I really love them. And you can kind of pick whatever size frame and print that you want, and they're just amazing. Then this goes into my ensuite bathroom. I haven't really changed anything in here. This is just more like towels, and you can see kind of on the bottom I've just got like a bit of a what's it called, a bin. And then I have like hand soaps and stuff on the top with moisturizer, and I've got my double shower, which I absolutely love. This is an absolute godsend. By the way, I always keep one of these, like it's like a window cleaner type thing, but it's really great to clean your glass with and not make it streak. And then this is my bath mat. That one's from Primark. Then I have my toilet roll holder, which is from Dunelm Mill, and I have my slate toilet brush thing, which is also from Dunelm. And then I have my bin, which is like a charcoal grey from Asda, and my slate soap dispensers, which are from Dunelm as well. And then inside my cabinet, I kind of keep all of my skincare. I keep my contact lenses, toothbrush, toothpaste, that sort of thing. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of space, so I like to spread out. And then this is the most exciting thing. So, oh my gosh, basically I got my new mattress, and it comes with this amazing kind of cutting tool. So basically what you do is you get the mattress delivered straight to your door, as I said. You just use a cutting tool just to basically get it out, and it kind of expands like basically onto the whole bed frame. I kind of did a boomerang there, so it looks a bit weird. And then you leave it for about 5 hours, and then it grows into this amazing, beautiful mattress, and you are good to go. You are good to sleep on it. Now, I am normally so skeptical of these kind of things, but I used to find that I really didn't sleep very well at night, and I just woke up a lot during the night. Especially with my job, I find it really difficult to sleep. But now that I've used it for around a month, I just sleep so much better, and honestly, I wake up feeling so much more energized, sorry. I also went to Poland not so long ago and slept on a different mattress, which is like a normal one with springs in rather than the memory foam that this has, and I noticed such a huge difference. Like honestly, I did not sleep, you guys, and I was so grumpy, so I couldn't wait to get back to my bed. Now if you guys want to try this one is a super king size, but you can get them in any size. They are literally delivered straight to your door, and honestly I cannot even tell you how much you guys will sleep so much better. If you click on the link in the down bar, I'll link it below, and you actually get £75 off your own mattress if you use my link. Then I'm going to move on to the bed, and this bed frame is from made.com, and again it's a super king mattress. I wanted the kind of charcoaly grey look because that really goes with the theme of my room. And then you can see that I've kind of gone for my old cushions and I've gone for a new throw because my throw was so old. So I've got still the TV in the room, which is just by JVC. That's just up on the wall, and I just like to use that, you know, when I'm like lying in bed and things like that. It just really calms me down before I go to sleep. And then with the kind of other side, you can just see like basically all angles of my room, but I've tried to make it super symmetrical. And then in terms of what I've actually got on my bed, I have the throw, which is from IKEA, and this is basically like a charcoaly kind of colour, so it's super massive. I had to really like look into trying to find a nice throw. It was actually really hard to find one, and then I just tried to get as many kind of like soft furnishings as I can. My quilt is actually from a company called The Wool Room, and it's meant to be like an all year round sort of quilt. So it's kind of got 2 layers to it, but I actually only ever use 1 layer. So it's meant to be useful in kind of summer and winter, but I actually find that both layers are quite heavy. So I just like to use 1 quilt. But obviously it's entirely up to you guys. I'll go through my cushions in a second, but you can see a little bit of a closer up of the throw that I've got. As I said, this is for a Super King, so I really actually struggled to find a Super King throw that was in charcoal sort of colour. So I really like this one just because of the kind of patterns on it and things, although Penelope has eaten a couple of chews on it, so I'm going to have to wash it again. Then these are my soft furnishings in terms of cushions. So I went to Dunelm Mill for these, and I got like a charcoaly grey to sort of try and match my my throw. Then I thought I'd inject a bit of colour, so I really like lime green, so I went for a couple of lime green ones, and then I also threw in like a checked kind of lime green and white and grey, so it kind of incorporates all three of the colours, yeah, of my bed. So I just tried to kind of, you know, break it a little bit with a little bit of kind of block colour, and I really feel like it makes a massive difference. As I spoke about earlier with my quilt, this is the quilt here. So as you can see, it has poppers on it, and it basically has 2 different kind of sides to it, but as I said, I just use basically just 1 of them, so I unpop it and just use 1. And then my bedding is just from Dunelm Mill, and it's like they're super soft kind of I think it's just like a silk sort of range. I'll try and find it because it is so soft and not scratchy at all. It really annoys me when you get scratchy bedding. And then this is essentially my room, so I really hope you guys have enjoyed my video. I wanted to show you guys a bit of an update because I did obviously get my new bed, and I'm so happy with that, and my Simba mattress. I cannot explain to you guys how much this has changed my life. If you guys want to check it out, then please have a look at the info bar below because I'll link everything for you guys, and I will see you guys in a few days time in my next video. Bye you guys.